Hey guys, it's Alan Kushmarkov again with Best Homes Real Estate, and today we're doing another Best Agent Spotlight for one of our top producing agents here at Best Homes Real Estate and a team leader from the Stellar Group, I believe, right? Virginia Stewart. Virginia joined our company about 6 months ago as a top producing solo agent, but since then she formed her own team and she hired 3 agents to that team. So first and foremost, welcome to the Agent Spotlight. And second thing I wanted to ask you, what made you decide to go from a solo agent and start forming your own team, start building your own team?
Thank you, Alan.
Yeah,
so a lot of it was because there was a need for it. You know, I was working 100 hours a week and I'm only one person. So I actually needed assistance with all my clients because I'm overwhelmed with referrals and I want to make sure everybody gets top-notch service. So I actually needed help. So I wanted to get highly trained associates to help me as well.
Okay.
So, and I knew that with all the workshops that you offer and all the training classes that you offer, I knew that my teammates would actually get a lot of assistance in terms of training, workshops. They would be like overloaded with training. So in addition to how I personally trained them as well too. So that way they were highly trained and they were able to step in and assist me when I needed.
Got it, got it. What about the leads? I mean, that's one thing that you definitely want to make sure you have, right?
Right.
A scalable, a systematic, a consistent flow of leads coming to your agents on your team, right?
Right.
How are you able to kind of achieve that, making sure that your agents are getting, fed or, keeping the leads or generating those leads?
So I actually do 2 different ways to help get my team some leads.
Yep.
One, they're assisting me because I get a lot of leads just from my previous experience, and they're assisting me with my personal clients. And 2, we have an amazing marketing department, and he actually makes a lot of video ads for us and Facebook ads for us, and it actually helps generate leads of clients who are interested in buying homes or selling homes, and then they actually go through these generated ads and they contact us and my team, and then we get clients that way as well too.
Yeah, we have about 12 or 13 top producing agents / team leaders on this lead gen program where we're generating leads for anywhere between 87 cents up to like a $2 a piece from Facebook as well as Google. So the leads, the trainings that your agents can plug into our trainings as well, right?
Amazing training.
What else that you have learned in the last 5 months or 6 months being here and being a team leader?
Well, I think the biggest thing is how to operate a new system for me, because I've always been a manual system, filing system, but now with Alan, he also provides a CRM, which is a nice organizational tool that's online, and then my whole team can actually organize and use it so we operate a lot more efficient, and then we can contact clients a little bit better and even more of them as well too. It's better communication.
Right, and when you, let's say your agents get your clients under contract, we have a TC department in place.
Right.
And they can help you with the back office, right?
Yes.
Managing your contracts, uploading those contracts and keeping all the timelines in place.
Right, yeah, having a personal transaction coordinator is a game changer because she saves me probably 30 hours a week alone just in all my clients' back office support as well. She's amazing also.
Awesome. What would you suggest to an agent, a producing agent, or maybe a top producing agent that kind of feels like, you know what, I'm tired of working 70, 80, 90 hours a week. I cannot do everything myself. I don't really have a balanced life, or my business solely depends on my production. What would you advise them to do in terms of like starting a team, forming a team, and building a good, solid, scalable, profitable team?
Well, I think one, it does make a difference to get help. So definitely, even if you have one person as a partner, that also helps take away some of your time, because then you can partner up and save time. Plus getting a personal transaction coordinator, someone who's gonna do your filing for you, someone who's gonna help you with your emails. So having a personal transaction coordinator is a huge hour time saving system. So it gives you your time back.
Right.
It's worth the money.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Because at the end of the day, it's not about how a lot of times. Nothing against how, but a lot of times when we constantly think how we fix this, how we do that, it takes a lot of our time. and it really bogs us down and puts us in a situation where we get paralyzed by trying to figure out on our own. So instead, focusing more on who can help us with showings, who can help us with maybe converting some of these leads, who can help us with the paperwork is something that you definitely want to be focusing on more.
Right.
For sure. Okay, wonderful. So you heard it here, guys. Again, thank you so much, Virginia. She was our top producing agent for the last 3 months, August, September, as well as October, hopefully November as well.
It's anybody's game.
If you have any questions for me or Virginia, feel free to reach out. As a matter of fact, I'm offering a free business growth session for those agents that are looking to start building their own teams. It's a team building roadmap session, and that's something that I and Virginia will be offering you guys going forward. So feel free to reach out, private message us, or send me an email, and we'll be more than happy to sit down with you guys, learn more about your business, your goals, and share what we can offer you as a brokerage. Thanks so much, guys, and we'll talk to you next time.
Thank you.